Is this the most underrated family SUV on the market? Today we're taking a first look at the 2025 Nissan X-Trail, and it might just be the versatile adventure machine your family needs. Right off the bat, the X-Trail makes a strong impression with its bold styling. Those sharp LED headlights, muscular wheel arches, and rugged lower body cladding give it genuine presence on the road. It strikes that perfect balance between family-friendly design and adventure-ready attitude. Nissan offers two fascinating powertrain options here. The standard 1.5-liter VC turbo mild hybrid delivers a respectable 163 horsepower, but the real star is the innovative e-Power system. Unlike traditional hybrids, the e-Power uses its gasoline engine solely as a generator, with an electric motor actually driving the wheels. This gives you that instant electric torque feeling without any range anxiety. For those facing challenging weather, the e-Force all-wheel drive variant adds a second electric motor at the rear for improved traction and a power boost to over 200 horsepower. Stepping inside, the X-Trail immediately impresses with its upscale tech-forward cabin. The tan interior option we're looking at today brightens the space considerably, complemented by that panoramic sunroof flooding the cabin with natural light. The 12.3-inch infotainment display is responsive and intuitive, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto connectivity. What really sets the X-Trail apart is its versatility. With sliding and reclining second-row seats, you can prioritize either passenger comfort or cargo space as needed. And yes, 7-seat configurations are available, though those third-row seats are best suited for occasional use or younger passengers. Behind the wheel, the X-Trail delivers a supremely comfortable ride. The suspension soaks up road imperfections with ease, creating a refined driving experience that's perfect for longer journeys. The steering is light but precise, making this sizable SUV feel manageable in tight spaces. And with the ProPilot Assist system available on higher trims, highway cruising becomes even more relaxed with its lane keeping and adaptive cruise control features. Practicality abounds with up to 585 liters of cargo space with 5 seats in place, plenty of clever storage solutions throughout the cabin, and those wide-opening rear doors that make installing child seats a breeze. At a starting price around £36,000, the X-Trail represents solid value, especially considering its generous standard equipment. Even entry-level models include dual-zone climate control, 18-inch alloys, and comprehensive safety features like blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking. The 2025 Nissan X-Trail isn't just another family SUV, it's a thoughtfully designed, comfortable, and capable vehicle that truly deserves more attention. With its innovative powertrain options, versatile interior, and adventure-ready attitude, it's a compelling option for active families who want one vehicle that can do it all. What do you think of the X-Trail? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.